Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Uncle Fester in the Carolinas on this Messenger 350. Uncle Fester, we got it ready to go for you. You had on your input pad, you had a couple resistors blown. I showed you those due to you accidentally overdriving this amplifier. This amplifier tells you right here, 25 watts peak, 10 watts max RMS for the 350, okay? Now, I understand it was a total accident, so just wanted to kind of mention this for those of you that have one of these amplifiers, okay? So let's get right to it. Got the Cobra 29 driving into it, which is about 8 bird and 25 peak. So here's your 100 watt slug. We're on high. And I think running it around 60 watts dead key out of the amp is a good place to run. You can roll it up a little higher. About 80. Let me show you average power swing. Low. 100 watts in the corner. Let's go over the 500 watt slug. We're going to show average power first. Low. About 125 bird. Peak power. Low. 350 on the money. Alright, Uncle Fester, I hope you enjoy it. And keep that little one off the key. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.